Hello my friends and welcome to today's practice. In this video, I'm going to share with you my top 3 Qigong exercises for beginners. These exercises are easy to follow and will exercise your entire body. The movements comes from the classical Qigong, the 8 pieces of brocades. If you would like to learn the entire sequence, you can access it on my membership site. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin today's practice. We begin in a standing position with your feet firmly planted on the ground. Unlock your knees, relax your hips. Slowly draw your tailbone a little bit forward to help you relax and open through the lower back area. By drawing your pelvis a little bit forward and lengthening down, it helps to immediately release tension from the lower back. Keep your spine nice and straight, your chest relaxed, your abdomen relaxed, your shoulders gently hovering over your chest, arms relaxed down. Keep your chin slightly in to lengthen through the back of the neck, and mentally reaching upwards towards the ceiling, towards the sky. Take a couple of deep, comforting breaths to settle the mind and prepare yourself for the practice. Breathing in and out the nose. And again, a few times on your own. From here, gently sink down, interlacing your fingers. Your eyes follow the hands, lift to the chest, and press out, gently shifting your weight towards the front of your feet. Relax your neck, drawing your hands directly over the crown of the head. Push upwards. Release, and open your hands out and down. Keep the momentum here. Sending your hips to the back, bend your knees to sink down and gently push up. And again, the breathing here is natural. Let me show you a couple of times from the side. Sinking into your hips, into your feet, round your upper back to open and stretch. And then open through the front. Maintain the integrity of your alignment, especially for the pelvis and the lower back and the spine. Release. Very good. You can take a few seconds here just to notice how you feel, what changed, how your chest and your upper back begin to open up after those gentle stretches. We're moving on to the exercise number 2, draw a bow and shoot an arrow. Make your hands into a loose fist, lift to the shoulder height, and pull across, opening your chest. Your eyes look far into the distance between your index finger and your thumb, distributing the weight equally, and your knees are in the same direction as your toes. From here, release the position, drawing your hands down, and change to the other side. Continue 3 times on each side. The key here is to work with your lower body, finding the center of gravity, distributing the weight equally, opening through the hips and the groin. And also feeling a pleasant stretch across your chest and the upper back. Gently come out, drawing your hands back to center, shift the weight, and bring your feet parallel, about shoulder width apart. Again, trying to feel what this particular exercise achieved, how your body reacts to that, how it feels. From here, drawing your hands out and above, touch the sky, press the earth, calming down. I like this particular variation because it stimulates the only meridian that is horizontal in a body, the belt meridian, connecting the front and the back, the yin and the yang energies in the body. Gently come out, relax your lower back. Begin to fold forward, nice and gentle, running your hands down the back of the legs. As low as you wish, as long as you keep your knees straight and your spine long. You can reach your toes or stop somewhere where it's the most comfortable. In the morning, sometimes I like to stop here. In the evening, I can reach the floor. So really adjust to suit your own body. And then coming in on the inner leg, through the groin, back to the belly. From here, we depart, moving energy through, release, sending it down the back of the legs. Come up on the inner leg, leading it to the abdomen. Repeat 3 times. Be careful not to push yourself or overstretch. Sometimes when we're learning a new exercise, we are trying our best, we're trying to make it look perfect, and we can push ourselves without realizing that we're doing damage or causing stress in the body. So Qigong is all about effortless movement, natural movement. We go again, massage it across, hands on the kidneys, push up. Release. Taking that warmth down the back of your legs, massaging the energy channels running all the way to your feet, and then stimulating the energy coming up through your legs into your torso. Last one. Go into the back. All the way down. And back to the belly. Assume the position. Standing comfortably, steady, connected through your feet. Relaxed in your hips and the lower back. Your spine feels long, shoulders relaxed, chest open. And finish by concentrating on your breath, being deep, being relaxed, being slow. Inhale, sending your breath into your belly. And exhale, relaxing, drawing the belly in. Connecting to your breath, just being aware of your physical body already activates the inner self-healing mechanisms. So just to be aware, being present, breathing well, having a calm mind, have a tremendous amount of benefits for our health. Let's do one more. Inhale and exhale. Relax your hands and finish. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope it was a nice introduction for you to Qigong. This is my favorite classical sequence, the 8 pieces of brocades. There are many variations on the internet. I like this one in particular. It's very good for beginners. So as I mentioned earlier, if you would like to study this full course in more details with the breath, with a proper alignment, you can always join my membership site and access this course anytime. And until next time, I wish you great health, keep well, and I'll see you in the next video.